Hi, I'm Dermot O'Gorman, CEO of WWF-Australia. It's been 5 years since the devastating bushfires of late 2019-2020 hit the Australian landscape. Our supporters were so quick to react, and we launched the Australian Wildlife Nature and Recovery Fund to restore, regenerate, to bring back wildlife, and to work with communities and First Nations on long-term regenerative solutions. I'm really proud to say that 5 years on, with more than 190 partners, we are delivering nearly 250 projects. Here are some of the impact that we have had with your support. We would not have been able to do this without your amazing support. On behalf of the WWF team, I'd like to deeply thank you for your support to regenerate nature by 2030. Thank you.